Hello people, welcome back. Guys, in this video I have a new automation for you which will let you send instant messages or replies on WhatsApp to those people whose calls you are missing. Yes guys. So guys, sometimes you can be really busy and you can miss some really important calls from your clients or your customers, and because of your busyness you cannot even find the time to call them back or to send any kind of messages to those people. So it can harm your professional relationships because this can be really annoying sometimes to miss some important calls and do not reply. So here we have an automation for you which is going to solve this issue for you. Here, as and when you are going to get a missed call from any of your clients or from any people, you can send an automated WhatsApp message to that person saying to him or her that I am really busy right now and you can connect me later on, and I usually be available at this time and this hour. Okay, so you can send your availability also. So this is going to help you a lot. Let me show you how. So this will be the flow of this automation, guys. Here we are using a webhook feature of Pabbly Connect, by which we can capture the phone numbers of the calls we are missing, and after that our automated WhatsApp reply is going to be delivered automatically within a seconds to the same person whose call you have missed. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button. And guys, you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you can create a workflow by clicking here on this create workflow button, and here you have to give a suitable or relevant name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here, send automated messages on missed calls. Okay, right? So after filling the name like this, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up, and here you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be any missed call that you receive, and that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action towards this trigger would be to send a WhatsApp message or a reply to that person whose call you have missed. All right, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So here we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called webhook. Okay, so with the help of webhook, we are going to capture the phone number or the response of the missed call from another application, guys. Okay, so with the help of this webhook URL, we are going to make a connection with a third application which is called IFTTT. And with the help of this, we are going to fetch the data of the calls that we are missing. So guys, in this application, here you have to create an applet. So to get the response of the missed call, to create an applet, just click here on this create button. All right, and here it will ask if this then that. This means here if we receive a missed call, we want to fetch that phone number details. So click here on this add button, and from here search for Android phone call option. Select Android phone calls. All right, and here it is asking to select one of these options. So here I'm selecting this one, any incoming phone call missed. Okay, select this. Then here in this then that tab, click on add, and from here search for webhook. This is webhook, guys. Select webhooks. All right, then click on this make a web request tab, and here in the URL field you have to copy and paste this webhook URL. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here like this. All right, in the method select post, in the content type select application/JSON. Okay, leave this additional headers blank, and in the body field you have to add an ingredient like this. You have to put a curly brace like this. After that, what we want to fetch, we want to fetch the details of the phone number. For that, you can create a label here as this from phone number. Okay, and here I'm going to add this ingredient from this add ingredients list. Okay, so just select this from number option like this, close it in the double curly brace like this. Okay, so this is how we can fetch the from number details of a missed call. Okay, so here we are, just click on create action, and we have created an action. Just click on continue. Okay, and then click on finish. So you can see we have created an applet, and this applet is connected with my phone number, guys. Okay, so you have to install this IFTTT application inside that smartphone or Android phone on which you are receiving the missed calls, and from which phone you want to reply to those people whose calls you are receiving. Okay, so you have to install this application into your phone, then you have to log in that application from this same account. Okay, and after that you have to if you want to run this workflow, you have to maintain the internet connectivity on your smartphone as well. Okay, then only it is going to run. And if you somehow lost the connectivity, then this workflow run when the connectivity of internet resumes in your Android phone. Okay, now coming back to our workflow, here you can see as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. Okay, so now this means we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be I am going to deliberately ask my colleague, or here you can see I have two phones here. One phone is here and another phone is here. Let me show you on my screen only. Here you can see this is my phone, guys. Okay, and here as and when I am going to receive a missed call on this Android phone, I want to reply an instant message to the person. Okay, so here I am going to deliberately call on this phone number, and I'm going to cut that call, and a missed call will be here on this phone that I've just shown you. Okay, so as and when I'm going to receive this missed call, the data of that missed call is going to be captured here in this workflow, and that is going to act as a test submission for us. All right, so let me show you how. So guys, you can see I am receiving a phone call in my number, and I'm going to cut this call from here. Okay, and you can see we have received a missed call on my phone. Okay, now let us check if the applet run, and we are going to capture the data of this missed call in our workflow. And guys, you can see here we have received this response. Okay, and in this response, in the value box, you can see it is showing the data from phone number, and we got the details of the phone number from which we have received a missed call. Okay, now guys, what we want, we have received the phone number. Now we want to reply to this number. So to reply to this number, first of all, I am going to fetch out this number only from this whole thing. Okay, from this JSON data, I want to fetch out this number only. So to fetch this number, just use this action step, and from this action step, search for text formatter feature of Pabbly. Search for text formatter. All right, and in the action event, select select this text basic formatting option. Click on connect, and here it is asking for the string. So here I'm going to map this string of values, guys. Okay, from this response label, I'm going to map it here. So to map this string, just click here, and it will show you webhook step in the drop down, and from here only map this response label. And here it is asking to transform this string, and here I want to fetch out this number. So here we have this option, you can see extract phone number. So by using this extract phone number option, I'm going to extract this number from this string. So click on save and send test request, and now we got the phone number like this. Okay, in this result label. right? So guys, I want to reply to this number on WhatsApp account. Okay, for that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this another action step, you have to choose WhatsApp's Cloud API. Okay, search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So guys, WhatsApp Cloud API is the official business API for connecting businesses with WhatsApp, recently launched by Facebook. Okay, so you have to set up your own Cloud API setup in developer section of Facebook or Meta. Then after that, after setting up that Cloud API, you can use it here. And if you want to know how to set up your Cloud API, you can check the videos that we have pasted in the description, from where you can learn how to set up your own Cloud API. All right, so do check those videos and set up your Cloud API, and then after that you can use it here. Now the action event would be send template message option. Then click on connect. And from this window, if you are making the connection with Cloud API for the very first time, you have to select this add new connection option. And here it will ask for the permanent access token of your Cloud API setup, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp's business account ID. All right, as if you want to know how to find these things, you just click here. You can see on this here word in the blue color, click on the here word and you will reach this forum page of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com. And here you can find these two videos. First is for setting up your Cloud API, and other is for generating how to generate your permanent access token to make the connections, right? So you can check these videos. After that, you will find this instructions step by step written here along with these screenshots related to your Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. So you can follow these instructions and you can see how to make the connection. All right, so you will find all the related stuff for Cloud API. And here guys, to show you the phone number ID, let me bring you to my Cloud API setup. This is the page. You can see Meta for developers it is, and here I have created an application, the name of which is this My Connect message app. And in this application I have set up my own Cloud API, and I am under the WhatsApp's getting started page. So in the getting started page, you will get the temporary access tokens first, but temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So to continue your workflow or your automation to run, you need to generate the permanent access token. So you can see this video from the forum page on how to generate the permanent access token from here. Okay, and you can generate it. And for these two things, you can see it here. In the send and receive messages section, you will see the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So from here you can copy it and paste it here. And similarly for the account ID, copy it and paste it here. And guys, generating the permanent access token is a one-time task only. Once you get a permanent access token generated, you have to keep it safe, because we are going to use this same token again to make the connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so after generating the token, you have to paste it here and then click on save, and you will be connected with your Cloud API setup. All right, and just like generating the permanent access token, making the connection by this process, by selecting add new connection and filling these things and then clicking on save, is also a one-time process. Once you made the connection by this process, next time you can choose this existing connection or again if you want to connect. Okay, so as I have already connected by this process in a different workflow, so now if I want to connect again, I can choose the existing connection. So from here, select existing connection option, and you can see you can select your existing connections from this connections list. In the connections list, it will show you all the existing connections that you have with your Cloud API setup. And from here only, let me select this one, WhatsApp Cloud API final connection, which I have created at this date and at this time. Okay, so I'm selecting this only, and now I just have to click on save, and you can see we are getting connected again. Okay, so we are now connected again, and here it is asking for the templates name to send messages to WhatsApp to many people. All right, so guys, first of all, let me tell you what templates are. So I'm going back to my Cloud API setup, and here you can see in this step, second send messages with the API step, You can read here to create your own message template. Just click here. So click on this here word in blue color and you will reach this message template section. So message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you have to create here to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at a time. All right. So let me show you one message template. So guys, this is a message template I have created to send birthday wishes to many people at a time on WhatsApp. All right. So here you can see the preview of this message also. So this is how this message is going to appear in real time in WhatsApp. Happy birthday, Akash. I hope your birthday is full of sunshine and rainbows and love and laughter. Okay, and here you can see this is the header image I have in my message. So in the header image, I can send greeting cards of the birthdays. And here in place of this Akash, I can change the name of the persons and I can send the same message to many people. So how to get these two things changed? You have to first of all, you have to add these kind of variable tags inside your message body. You can see here in the message body, we have this one in double curly braces. So this is called a variable tag or the body field of the message. And we have to place these tags in strategic places inside our message template so that we can change these things dynamically and automatically in every new message. All right, as the name. Okay. Right, and here you can see in the header I can place image. In the place of variable I can add the name. Okay, and we are going to do this with the help of our workflow by mapping the values of these things. So first let me tell you how we can create a template. You can see in the message template section we have this create message template button. So by clicking on it you will reach this page, and here you will find these three categories in which you can create templates, like the transactional category, the marketing, and OTPs. So let me select this one, marketing. And now we can give a name to this template like this. Then you can select the language of your message that you want to send like this. All right, after that just click on continue from here. And here you can see, here you can select the header of your message. You can select text if you want to send, or media, and inside media you can send an image or a video or a document. Here in the body box you have to type the main body of your message. All right, so you can put it here like this, hello. And now if you want to add or place some variables, you just have to click here on this add variable button, and this is how you can add a tag inside your message. All right, so after completing this whole process guys, you just have to click on submit here. Right now I am canceling this, and after getting your template submitted, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it, and it will just take a few minutes, and after that you can use that template to send messages via your automation workflow. So here I am going to select the template that I am going to use for this purpose, and the name of the template is missed calls, missed_call. Let me show you in my Cloud API setup as well. So here I have created this template. So this is the message template I have created for sending messages on missed calls, the name of which is missed_call, and you can see the preview of this message here. This is how the message is going to look like. Hello, I'm unable to take your call. I'm quite busy right now and call you back as soon as possible. You can customize this message according to your need. Okay, I'm just showing you the demo. So now I'm going to select this message template here in my templates name field. I have selected this, and you can see the language code is filled up and the template ID is got auto populated. No need to do anything here. And here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to put the WhatsApp number of the person to whom we want to send the messages. So here I am going to use this this second step where we have extracted the phone number, the WhatsApp number of the person whose call we have missed. Okay, and we got the missed call details here in the first step, and we have extracted out the WhatsApp number. So I'm going to map this result 0 label here. So to map it, just click here, and from the second step map the result 0 label. And when you map the label like this, what will happen? Whenever you receive a missed call with a different number, these labels, this label that you have mapped here is going to change and every time a new message, a new WhatsApp message is going to be delivered to the new person. Alright guys, now you can check your connection with WhatsApp also by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. Okay, so actually I have the access of this WhatsApp account, so I'm clicking here, and here I have opened the WhatsApp web for this number, and here I'm clicking on save and send test request, and I'm going to show you how the message is going to look like. So guys, this is the response we have received here, and you can see we got a new message. Let me show you, and the message is this. You can see, hello, I'm unable to take your call, I'm quite busy right now, and call you back as soon as possible. So this is the same template that we have used, okay, and the message is here. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when you are going to receive any missed call, you don't have to do anything manually. The WhatsApp message is going to be delivered automatically to the person whose call you have missed. And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.